Hey guys, welcome to our channel Art the Rose, and today we'll make this beautiful moon themed gift card. You can easily make this. We have included the step-by-step guideline for this card. We have designed the top as moon themed and the inside is like a star theme. It has very small dots that looks like stars, and we have added a simple stamp here. You can see this. So let's start making this. We will make the card on white colored paper. You can use any white paper or use A4 paper, making double by using glue. Just take the right side and add the thinned paper on top of it. You can choose the design as you wish. You have to adjust it in the middle, and then we'll add the border lines. I have used black Curtis paper. You can use any kind of black paper as long as you can match your theme, that's okay. We have added two border lines. We have added two border lines. You have to make their size as right as the other side. We will adjust it with the glue, and we'll do the inside part. For the inside part, you can use any kind of color paper. I have taken the sky blue, which is also called as lake blue color paper, to make the inside part. And we will add the glitter dots, which looks like stars, and the frame with black pen. Let's finish it. And it's done. Look how beautiful it is. We have drawn the frame line with black pen. And the inside looks also magical. If you like this video, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.